Steve Henry Show, and guess what? That's right, we're going to spin for the win today. It's the 2014 Jeep Patriot. Here we go live. We're going to go up to 30 miles an hour, and is your name in the spin is the question. If you hadn't put your name in the email and got that all done, then it's over. So, here we go. The 2014 Jeep Patriot, last spin of the year. Here we are for the spin of the 5th Jeep, and the winner is going to be... Congratulations! My God, baby, you are the winner. My goodness gracious, how lucky can you get? I will be seeing you in about a week live. We'll deliver this to your front door. I can't wait to see you guys, and we'll be there on time. Did you catch the winner? Was that your name that I called out? Hey, do you see what I'm wearing? That's right. This is this is my dog, JB. You all remember JB, don't you? You can get one of these. Where, Steve? Well, all you got to do is go to the new SteveHenryShow.com, look into our merchandise category there, and you get hoodies. You can get mugs. You can get them all. It's all there. But this is the JB shirt I happen to be wearing. This is that light blue medium. It's a beautiful shirt. It's got the pockets in there. Hey, this week on the show, you're not going to want to miss it. This is a very, very, very special. Anyways, this week, you're not going to want to miss it. We have a Jesus presentation. That's right. It is a celebration of his birthday. You all heard of the Charcuterie board.
Charcuterie? Coochie board.
Well, that's the common thing right now. It's huge, huge, I tell you. And we are making it live here. Yes, you are taking your board to the cross, and you're going to be partaking in what's on the cross. When do you see the goods on the cross? If you're having a Christmas party this year, or maybe attending one, you want to bring this. And if you brought this, or you're showing this up at your party and displaying this for your guests for 6 people, it is going to be the biggest wow yet. Are you ready for the biggest wow yet? Well, here it is. This Saturday, 4 o'clock Mountain Time, on live on the Steve Henry Show. It is the Charcuterie board. Yes, they're popular. They're hits big right now. Here, we're going to put together the prawns. We're going to put together the goods and make a very special Jesus board that you can carry your own board. By the way, the spin this week, 4 o'clock. You don't want to miss it. We're giving away our 5th Jeep. It's a 2014 red Jeep, and it's going somewhere. Is it going to your driveway? Are you in the email? The spin is coming this Saturday. Don't miss it. Get in there, because this will be probably the last one. We're going to be doing some new stuff in 2022, and you're not going to want to miss that either. And then we got a very special Christmas presentation on Christmas Day. So we have 3 Christmas shows coming up you're not going to want to miss. Live here at the Steve Henry Show this Saturday, 4 o'clock. Don't be late.